a young man named Victor, who grew up in a small town with limited resources, but a big dream to revolutionize renewable energy. His family struggled with frequent power outages, which sparked his curiosity about energy and sustainability. He spent hours reading books on entrepreneurship, listening to podcasts, and learning from mentors. He knew that he wanted to create something meaningful, not just for himself but also for the people around him. After finishing college, Victor decided to start his own business. He didn't have much money to invest, but he had a powerful vision. With a small loan, he launched a company that designed affordable solar panels for residential homes. At first, things were tough. There were many competitors in the market, and the technology was expensive. But Victor was persistent. He made it his mission to find innovative ways to reduce costs and improve efficiency. He spent countless hours in the lab, working with engineers and testing prototypes. Slowly, he developed a solar panel system that was not only cheaper, but also more efficient than anything on the market. Word began to spread, and soon people across the country were buying Victor's solar panels. His company grew rapidly, and he expanded into international markets. Victor's approach to business was always customer-focused. However, as the business expanded, new challenges began to emerge. Victor noticed that while demand for his solar panels was increasing, the market was becoming more competitive. Larger corporations were starting to invest heavily in renewable energy, and Victor knew that to maintain his position he had to stay ahead of the curve. One of the biggest obstacles was the scalability of his business. To meet growing demand, Victor realized he needed to scale up production without compromising the quality of his products. After much thought, he made a bold decision. He invested in automation technology. The initial investment was risky, but Victor believed that automation could make the production process more efficient and cost-effective. The new automated production lines drastically improved efficiency, reducing costs and production times. This allowed Victor to offer even more affordable products to customers. In addition, the automated system enhanced quality control, ensuring that each solar panel was tested thoroughly for durability and performance before being shipped. Victor also knew that to encourage more people to embrace renewable energy, he needed to educate the public. So he launched a massive global marketing campaign aimed at raising awareness about the environmental impact of traditional energy sources and the benefits of solar power. The campaign was a huge success, attracting attention from governments, environmental activists, and even celebrities. Sales soared as more people recognized the importance of sustainable energy. Despite these successes, Victor was determined to keep his business aligned with the values that had made it successful. He used his wealth to fund research into new clean energy technologies and supported grassroots organizations working on the ground to protect the environment. He also became a vocal advocate for the conservation of biodiversity and the protection of natural resources, believing that environmental sustainability and social progress went hand in hand. As Victor neared retirement age, he began planning for the future of his company. He carefully selected a group of leaders within his company, individuals who shared his passion for sustainability and innovation, and groomed them to take the company forward. In the end, Victor's company became a model for what businesses could achieve when driven by purpose and values. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.